Hello, I'm Danilo Napoli, actor and playwright of White Noise.
My name is Laura Caparrotti, I'm the artistic director of In Scena, Italian Theater Festival, New York.
Adesso che scoppiamo ogni giorno, ogni minuto, ogni secondo. Intanto dimagrivo, mi sciupavo, mi incartapegorivo come un fazzoletto sporco, usato e strosato in ogni millimetro quadrato.
I am so pleased to be here because it was my dream to act, to play in New York City. Play is about homophobia and transphobia and conversion therapy.
This is our 13 years coming here to BAAD. They are partnered with us since 2013.
Hello everybody, my name is Arthur Aviles. I am the artistic director and the co-founder of BAAD. And we are so pleased to have presented In Scena, which is a really wonderful Italian theater group.
I wrote this play after I heard about Ursula's story, because Ursula is a real transgender woman of my city.
Sì, mammina, vengo subito.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank you, everyone at BAAD. And donate to BAAD. Support BAAD because it's important.
Mammina!